That was a big jump. What is up, everybody? This is Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and I've got the Zeus out again. I did some maintenance on it, and there really wasn't much wrong from the last video where I thought I had bent the drive shaft. All that happened is the motor moved in the mount. The pinion actually moved on the motor shaft. So that was it. So I did a couple other things just to make sure everything was running good. And we're going to take it out for first bash of 2019. And we're on 5S, of course. So I mentioned before, this RC is really a driver's RC. You know, we'll do some jumps on it, but we're not going to be too hard on it. And parts are getting harder to find. I had a good source, and he seems to have dried up, so I'm pretty much left with a main. And I recently checked, and quite a few things are out of stock, which is a shame, because this is a good little car. I think it might just be a little too much of a niche. And the wing mount on this thing is not good. I've broken this wing quite a few times. The one that's on there right now is taped together. That's why it looks like it's kind of leaning funny. It just kind of flexes right around here, so I got it held together with Gorilla Tape. But I really enjoy how it drives. Handles so nice. It's a little windy, of course. Oh, that was my bad. I totally botched that. Yeah, see, yeah, and it's already flexing the wing mount. So that's kind of the only bad thing, is the wing doesn't really want to stay together. Dogs are a big fan of these trucks around here. I bring them out and just dogs start barking. Alright, let's do a little bit bigger here. That was nice. I just had my lawn aerated. That's all the dirt clogs we're seeing. Real nice. Got her around. That was a big jump. See the body flutter in the wind? I gotta re-Velcro the sides. Velcro came off on me. I just really love how responsive this thing is. I mean, I gotta be honest, one of the reasons why I converted my MT410 is because I really found myself driving this truck a lot. And that was over last summer. I mean, I only filmed it a couple times, but I took it out quite a few times. It's just fun, because I can push it and it responds. So anyway, it's all about personal preference. When you start getting into these kit builds, they're all really good. Technos are really good. This Sworkz is really good. You know, I don't have a Mugen or a TLR, but I'm sure those are really good too. Something about a kit build. Oh! Wow, that took a huge chunk of grass up. Nice. Alright guys, that is the Sworkz Zeus 5S. A little bit of a bash for you. Talk to you guys next time.